Artemis II rocket begins journey to Launchpad, NASA's Massive Space Launch System, SLS. Rocket, destined to carry the Artemis II crew on a lunar voyage, has begun its 4.2-mile crawl from the Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB, to Launchpad 39B at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The slow procession, powered by a crawler transporter originally designed for the Apollo program, represents a crucial step toward humanity's return to the moon. The crew and the mission astronaut Reed Weissman, commander of the Artemis II mission, shared his anticipation for the journey, visualizing the views of the moon's far side, a region permanently shielded from Earth's view. This mission isn't just about seeing landmarks. It's a landmark itself, marking the first crewed flight with the SLS rocket and Orion capsule. The four-person crew will travel farther into space than any human has since the Apollo program, testing systems critical for future lunar surface missions. A legacy crawler moves a new generation, the SLS, Orion capsule, and launch tower, collectively weighing 14 million pounds, are being moved by one of NASA's two historic crawler transporters. These behemoths were first built in the 1960s to carry Saturn V rockets for Apollo and were later adapted for the Space Shuttle program. Their top speed is a glacial 1 mile per hour, making the journey from the VAB to the launch pad a roughly 12-hour operation. Why this matters: the Artemis II mission is the next major step in NASA's long-term goal of establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon. This voyage will validate the SLS rocket, Orion spacecraft, and life support systems necessary for longer missions. The slow, deliberate movement of this rocket is symbolic. It represents not just technical progress, but also a commitment to methodical, careful exploration. The Artemis program is about more than just returning to the moon. It's about preparing for Mars and beyond. This mission is a vital test of the hardware and procedures that will enable deep space exploration for decades to come. The rocket's journey to the launch pad marks a significant milestone, bringing humanity closer to its next giant leap.